Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make Edge browser always open with your previously open tabs on Windows 10. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So just open your Edge browser. You can see it's opened, and you can see guys I have two tabs opened. So if I close this Edge browser and open it again, you can see tabs not restoring. So how we can make this happen in Edge browser, I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So just open your Edge browser, and after that you have to click on this three dots at the top right, and then click on this settings, and then you have to come to this left menu and then click on this on startup. And on the right side here we have the on startup section, and here we have three options: open a new tab, continue where you left off, open a specific page or pages. So you have to select this second option, continue where you left off. So just click on this button to select this. So let me click on it. You can see it's now selected. After that you can close this tab. So let me close this settings tab. It's now closed. So let me open some tabs. Let me open two tabs. Let me open one website in this tab. Let me open the second website. Okay, so let me close this Edge browser. It's now closed, and if I open it again, you can see guys tabs are restoring. So it's now done. So that's it. In this way you can easily make Edge browser always open with your previously open tabs on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.